Hello everyone, it's Aayush and today I am going to perform a science activity in front of you. So let's begin. So for performing this activity, we need some materials. So the materials required are a glass tumbler, a candle and a matchbox. So to start, we need to light up this candle. So as you all can see here that I have lightened up this candle, and we all know that a candle needs oxygen to maintain its flame, and if it will run out of oxygen, the flame will be blown up. Like here you can see that it is burning quite nicely. But when I will take this glass and put it on it, it will flicker and will be blown up after some time. So this happened because the candle ran out of oxygen inside this glass, and when I put this down, this tumbler has a limited amount of oxygen in it, and when the oxygen was over, this candle ran out of its flame. So, hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe.